house and nest, and the another one is go to the Rishi's ashram. Days are passed. The baby birds became big birds. The baby birds are growing and they became very big birds. One day the king of the country came to the forest to hunt. One day the king came to hunt. King came to hunt. King came to hunt. Where he came? He came to hunt in the forest. Came to hunt in the forest. King came to hunt. King came to hunt in the forest. Yes. Then what happened? One day the king of the country came to the forest to hunt. Yes. He saw a deer. You know what's a deer? Everybody know. Yes. And rode after it. So what is the king doing? He saw a deer. What do you say in man? What do you say in Tamil? Yes, man. Yes, not M-A-N, the other one. And he rode after it. He started to ride after them. He wanted to catch that, yes, deer. It ran deep into the forest because they can run very quickly, this deer. Deer means this one, D-E-E-R. Another one is D-E-E-A-R. So you find out the difference. One is an animal. Yes, very innocent animal, deer. It is seen in the forest, deer. This is deer, my dear father, my dear aunt, my dear brother, sister, like that. Okay. So what is that? The king rode after the deer. It ran deep into the forest, followed by the king. Soon the king lost his way. So he was running. So the king is also running after him. And finally what happened? He lost. The king lost his. He was running. He was running. After the deer. The deer. And he lost his way. He lost his way. Then he did not know where he was. He lost his way and now he forgot the way how he can go back. He rode on for a long time till he came to the other side. He was riding for a long time and finally he came to the other side of the forest. Finally he came to the other side. He came to the other side. Other side, yes. And then what happened? Yes. Very tired by now, he got off his horse. So he is very tired and he left his horse. And he sat down near the tree. Then he was sitting near the tree. And that tree is near a cave. The tree is. He became so weak and he was sitting under a tree. He became very weak. So he became weak. And he stood under a tree. Under a tree. Okay. Yes. Yes, that one is, yes, he's sit under a tree. Yes, then what happened? That is near a cave. Suddenly he heard a voice, very big voice. Hurry up, Quick, hurry up. He heard a voice. Quick, hurry up. A loud voice. Hurry up. There is someone under the tree. There is somebody under the tree. Come and take his jewels and his swords. They are giving an order. You people come. They are all in one group. So you come and take the jewels from him. Yes. And his horse also. You come. Quick. Take the horse. Okay. And collect all the jewels of that man. Hurry or else he will slip away. If you are not hurry, what will happen? The stranger will go away. Somebody is saying. The king was amazed. Who is saying that? He was young. He was amazed. He was he was hearing something, so he is amazed. He doesn't know what where is it, something like that. He looked up and saw a big bird on the tree. Then he looked up. Immediately he saw a very brown tree, yes, bird, and a tree and a bird, under which he was sitting. Who is saying this one? The bird. He heard faint noises issuing from the cave, and also he heard some light voice from the cave also. He quickly got out the horse and he rode away. Immediately after hearing that, he took his horse and he rode. And he disappeared as fast as he could. Otherwise, if he is staying there, he knows something will happen to him. Okay. Is it clear? Okay, we will continue in the next